Alright, we have a Dell all-in-one board, and it appears that the, well, it doesn't appear, but it is, the DC jack is broken. So what we're going to do is take this new DC jack, a little bit different design, still the round plug, but it's a forward-facing instead of a bottom mount plug, and replace it out. So that's what we have going on, and what we're going to do is change all that out, desolder it out of the back here, and replace that jack and put a new one in. So we'll get everything set and we'll start the desoldering process and then go from there. Okay, so we have our jack mounted in here now, our new one, and pretty much what we did was we just took a pair of pliers and heated that up with the hot air gun here, and then pulled it out, and then after we pulled it out, we just took and replaced the one while the solder was hot. So what we're going to do is flip this over and take and resolder the poles in there and get everything up and running, and check continuity, and then go from there. So that's what we're going to do. Solder this in and then check it and go. Okay, so we have our poles soldered in. See, the brown discoloration is our flux, so everything looks like it's set well, and we'll call this board fixed. We'll say that it's done and everything's fine on it. So we're done here, and we'll call this one complete.